Hey everyone, I realized I didn't really do an introduction to this video, so basically what you're about to see is footage from us at the Crescent Hotel in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Supposedly very haunted. Over 100 people died there in the 1930s when it was a quack hospital run by Norman Baker, who claimed he could cure cancer and he knew he couldn't. So enjoy the video. Whoa, look at those strides. How big a stride can you do, Jared? Probably a huge one. How many steps is that? Whoa! Oh my God! Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey.
Hey, Jared. We're here at the Crescent. Check it out. Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous.
All right, we're in the room. This weird little closet thing here. What are you doing?
Seeing if I can detect anything.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey. Dude, I got mine on already right here. Wow, look at that. Jared, your turn. Oh, yes. What's wrong, man?
It's way too high.
No, it's not too high.
But we're eating on the edge of a very tall building.
Yeah.
It might fall over.
Looks good. I like it. Mmm, delicious. Look how high we are.
About 15 pictures in a row on, and the lights were out. And she took about 15 pictures in a row, and in only
He's
one of the
off on his own world.
there was a. And this is there's a little bit of a dip here.
Dude, getting a lot of
What?
green. Getting a lot of green orbs in here.
Really?
Oh, you can really see it on the video.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we're going to the morgue.
This is just one little tiny part of the morgue. Then we're going into the parts room. Norman had a parts room because he took the parts off of people, all their tumors off, put them in jars of formaldehyde.
Zach's gone, dude.
I'm going to take this spot
He's gone.
and bring those gurneys in here. And it could fit up to 28 bodies stacked in there. She said she just smelled.
That was just on
No, I did not. You smell? Does anybody else want to go in?
It's terrible. Go in there. Zach's going in by himself. He's a
That one
human
animal was
figure.
really fun. Yeah, kind of. It does.
Oh. I know. Oh, watch out, dude. It's getting shorter.
Have a seat if you'd like.
Hey, everybody. We just got done with the ghost tour, and it was pretty good, I think.
Yeah, it was cool.
Like a lot of people caught a lot of different stuff. So now we're back in our room, and we're gonna do a little bit on our own. So we got the EMF right here. It's not going off anymore. Let's do a little spirit box action. Supposedly it'll communicate with you if there's a spirit in here through the frequencies. So let's just hear what we can hear. Is there anyone in here with us right now? You hear that?
I feel like he's doing Raymond's little voice.
Did you hear a lady's voice say yeah? Did you die in here? That's weird. Are you a female? Are you a male?
Yes, I
Get this away from this, away from that. I heard one weird thing, and that was when I first asked if there was
Yeah.
someone here.
The meter's staying in the middle.
It sounded like a yeah.
This is the only time there was like a clear statement.
Okay. The temperature didn't move. That thing's been, look, see? It just is dropping. See? Okay. Hello, everyone. Yeah, Zach, look at this thing.
We're getting readings.
What? What happened?
Something just fucking like flew in front of my face.
No way. What is going on?
Something like a little. It almost looked like a bug or something, but it was like a little light just went across in front of my face.
This thing is going nuts.
I'm not having a good time. So this is a laser grid. We're going to turn off the light and see if we can detect any anomalies in the light beams. Oops, dude, that freaked me out.
Sorry.
That's alright. I saw something.
Good.
Yeah. Dude.
Are they fucking getting dimmer?
Yeah.
I thought so, man. I was like, I thought my glasses were messing with me.
Okay. They're getting dimmer and brighter, as if suggesting that instead of catching an anomaly in the grid, that something's messing with the power of the laser itself. Is there any spirits with us right now? Are you a child? Are you a male? Are you a female? Oh my god, why is it? Yes. Yes, it did it again.
And it stayed up there when you said child.
The meter dropped right when I said male.
Are you a female child?
Do you think someone's sitting in that chair right now? Is it safe to say? Move it away from the wall to make sure it's not electrical. What do you think about that? As I carry it through here, it's not doing anything, right?
Alright.
Let's see what happens if I set it on the chair that a spirit is also occupying. And then move the chair. It's going more now. It doesn't like that I'm moving its chair.
Take as much pictures as you're doing.
That freaks me out, dude. Oh my god. I'm getting goosebumps again, man. I just feel like there's something there. Nobody will know we're in the bathroom, right?
This whole place is weird.
The Strange Days Facebook page. I'm tired. Everybody's tired.
We're worn out from having to deal with this weird shit happening constantly.
Yeah. You guys got anything else you'd like to throw in?
I want to go sleep in the car.
Anyway, thank you so much, and until next time, goodbye. All right, everyone, thanks again for watching. What you're seeing right now is a picture that our friend Juanita took. She was there the day after us and took the ghost tour. She captured this photo of what looks like a man without a head. And the odd thing is, when Taps was there to investigate the Crescent. This is the exact spot that they caught a figure with an infrared camera. So the footage I'll be playing next is footage she sent us from her stay at the Crescent. So enjoy, and thank you again for watching.
And who knows, maybe there's something behind it. Oh, it stops. It's his desk. It's his desk. This desk has sold many people down the river, that's for sure. Wow. You know, if you move that fast, he always moves so fast, and he needs legs for it in the way. And he's passing on to the Were you a patient? Oh, he does some talking, he wants to tell us something. Is it maybe a child? Are you a child? There's a lot of talking.
Oh, it's really going to start now.
Okay, and I have moved my hand. Well, we want to wish you a good evening, a good restful evening. Thank you for coming and sharing with us.
I wish we had one.
Oh, this is really...
Yeah. Because I'm not done.
Mm-hmm.